Hello? Who is this? Oh, hey. How's it going? Yeah, you can come by like in 45 minutes. I'm actually going to take a nap right now. Yeah. Okay. Hey, can you bring by some of those carburetor tweaker kits? I'm running low. Yeah, okay. All right, see ya. Ichiban, welcome to the shop.
Hey, thanks for having us here. So tell us about this. How long did this take you to build?
Well, it took a couple months to figure out all the details, but it takes about 10 hours or so to build.
Wow. So just in a long day or over a weekend and a few bucks, you can take a Harbor Freight sandblaster and convert it into an actual vapor blaster.
Yeah, that's right. It's pretty simple, actually.
So can you show me how it works?
Sure. So you need a garden hose hookup. Okay. You need to plug it into a 110 outlet, which is back there. And also you need a big compressor, 15 CFM or more.
So is that like a big dual stage compressor?
Yeah, so I have a 5-horse 2-stage behind that pegboard thing back there.
Do you have a large tank?
80 gallons.
Can you run this on a smaller compressor?
Sure.
Okay. You just be able to do smaller areas of a part at a time?
It's mainly the pump. The pump that can output 15 CFM. You know, you can get that in a 60-gallon version, but you definitely need a lot of air for any blasting, dry or wet.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I do a lot of sandblasting in the cabinet that I built, and I have a fairly robust power supply that has to back that up.
All right, then you should be good to go.
Okay. So what type of media do you use in this?
Fine mesh glass bead, but you can use all kinds of abrasives, and you can actually mix them together to get the finish that you're looking for.
Okay. So for something like this motorcycle case cover that doesn't have a lot of deep oxidizing, but it is pitted somewhat, do you start with a heavier grit and then go down, or would you recommend giving it a quick sand or file to clean it up before you blast it for the uniform clean surface?
I think glass bead will take care of this. It'll be a little slower than, say, an aluminum oxide glass bead mix, but you know, if you had like 10 parts to do, you'd probably start off with a coarser media and then move to a finer. But since you're doing one part, the glass bead will probably take care of that, no problem.
Wow. Awesome. So you just press the pedal and it turns on?
Yeah, so when you press the pedal, you get the air going, right? And then it triggers the control box to fire up the water wash, the wiper, and also the slurry pump. So it's all automated. So
okay.
Here we go.
Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to try it.
What's this?
So I'm working on a series of episodes, and the series is called Build versus Buy. And a vapor blaster is something that costs a tremendous amount of money. You said these things cost $4,000 brand new.
Yeah, that's
right. If you can get one, and if you want a low end one, but you can order your plans, download them, and you can build this from a complete parts list that includes all the tools required, utilizing a simple sandblasting cabinet to come out with these beautiful finishes.
Yep, it's as easy as that.
That's badass.
Awesome, this is going on the wall. Thanks so much.
We'd like to present you from the International Certified Motorcycle Builders Association a Certified Industry Hero Certificate to How-To Motorcycle Repair.
So I gotta put it in my own frame, huh?
Yes, you have to put it in your own frame.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
Okay.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
Great to see you. This Vapor Blaster is so badass, we give it 5 out of 5 ICHIBAN Moto stickers. Badass.
All right, badass is right. Make sure you check out ICHIBAN's version of this video. He's got more footage on the way over here and even attempts to make his own Vapor Blaster. So make sure you check out the video in the upper right, and also don't forget to give him a subscription.